You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French expression, which is one of the ways you can say you're welcome in French. If you want to learn other ways and more French vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got more for you coming up. Il n'y a pas de quoi is the French pronunciation. Il n'y a pas de quoi. This literally means there's nothing to thank me for. So you're welcome. So somebody says merci or thank you in French, merci. You can say il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.